Welcome to our mechanics lab of STEM عبور. I am Shahd Abbas.
Jana and Shahd. Kawther.
Today we are going to prove the conservation of momentum in the case of elastic collision.
That we say M1v1 plus M2v2 equal M1v1 dash plus M2v2 dash.
Now Jana telling about materials.
Here we have two photo gate brackets, two photo gate, dynamic motion track, two cores, 5 pattern picket fence, and some meshes in the stoppers to prevent cars from falling. The two photo gates are connected to interface which is connected to laptop in which we have a Basco capstone program.
Now press hardware setup. Choose the first board. Choose picket fence. Choose the second board. Choose picket fence. Press the setting of the first picket fence. I will change the flag spacing from 5 to 2 and press up. Choose the setting of the second picket fence. I will change it from 5 to 2. Choose two windows. Choose graph. Then choose another graph. Select the speed of first channel. Select the speed of second channel.
First we add 250 grams for each core.
Record. Stop.
Then we add another 250 grams in the blue core.
Record. Stop.
Then we add another 250 grams in the blue core and 250 grams in the red core.
Record. Stop.
In the first trial, we found that the red car passes through the photo gate with the velocity 0.44 meter per second and rebound with velocity 0.40 meter per second. Here, the second car, which is blue, moved with velocity 0.41 meter per second and rebound with velocity 0.43 meter per second. In the experiment of elastic collision, we collect our data. The mass of the first car was 268 plus 250, which is equal 518. The mass of the second car was 518 too. The velocities listed here. Then we get the total momentum before collision, which is equal 15.54, and the get after collision, which is equal 15.54. Then the error was 0%. In the second trial, the mass of the first car was 518. And the mass of the second car was 768. The velocities listed here. Then we get the momentum before collision, which is equal 118.4. After collision, 115.4. Error was 2.5%. Similarly, in the third trial, then we get the error, which is equal 8.7%.
At the end, if you like this experiment, press like, subscribe, and share the video. Bye bye!